You've chosen the right company, and now you realize you've chosen the right business model. Now, let's talk about changing your perspective. You see, your perspective has gotten you again where you're at now. And in order to get somewhere else, you got to also change that perspective. You see, in your job, you trade time for money, but you're also paid for effort, not necessarily results. Now, some of us have some incentive bonuses based on performance, but most jobs, we're paid for showing up, punching the clock, and putting in the time. And I've heard those words so many times from people that are in dead-end jobs. And that's where I got those punching the clock and putting in your time. Those are the things we do to stay busy. You see, in our job, staying busy is what makes us look successful. Our boss walks in and we look busy, and our boss thinks we're doing a great job. But statistics have shown that from a productivity standpoint, we spend less than probably 40%, 30 to 40% of our time actually in income-producing activities for our job. And the most of the time, we're doing things to be busy. You know, preparing to prepare, shuffling, doing all those things that we do at work. You know, I remember I was on a job one time, and I blew my quotas out. I did such a great job that I had nothing to do. We had no properties to sell. I was in the commercial real estate industry. It was during the dot-com boom, and everything was going great. And I had no properties. I had clients that were in a waiting list. And I remember going to work and trying to find things to do. And I can tell you, it's a job. It's a challenge to try to look busy and not be bored. Many of you are chuckling and laughing. But in your own business, you're paid on results. It doesn't really matter. In fact, the truth of the matter is, it's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. Now, when you first start, we're going to teach you and show you how to do both. You've got to work hard and you've got to work smart. But as your business starts to grow and you start to see the benefits of leverage and residual, you can back off a little bit. I'll give you an example. When I first got started in this industry, I really needed it bad. I was a VP of a computer company, and I got hit with the dot-com bomb. And I remember walking into my wife and saying, I never want to allow anyone else to have that kind of control over our financial future. And I began to do some research, and I came across this industry. Now, I'd love to say that I went out and chose this industry because I did all the analysis and figured it was the best way to go. But I honestly chose this industry because I'd already tried a franchise and it didn't work for me. I'd already owned my own businesses, and I realized I love starting businesses, but I hated running businesses. You know, managing employees, overheads. I mean, to me, those are just some things I don't want to do. That's why I'm so glad that it does that for me. All I have to do is go out and do income-producing activities. And that's what I'm talking about in changing your perspective. You see, you're paid in this industry 3 things. 1, finding people that want to join your organization. Number 2, teaching them to build their business and do the same. And then the 3rd thing is sharing the great products with people and letting them see the benefits of those products in their life. And the key is figuring out how to do that the quickest and most effective way. Now, in this Fast Start training, we're showing you a system that we've put together with some of the top people in the industry to make it easy for you to do that. But understanding that perspective change is key. So I want you to understand this. The great thing about this business is you're not going to no longer be paid based on just you showing up. You're not going to be paid trading time for money, but you're going to be paid what you're worth, and you're going to be paid on your results. And we're going to show you how to get record results so you can get record pay. So I'm excited to share with you this new perspective. So change your perspective, and now we're going to talk about mapping your course.